What a night, or should I say morning. It is nearly 2 a.m. here in Mexico. We had major problems with our original room. I'm not going to say bed bugs, but there were bugs in the room biting the hell out of my sister. She looked like she'd been through some stuff and things, and this is not okay. The second room looked like this. Okay? Wet towels from the pool, wet towels in the bathroom, used soaps. Just decoration. Congratulations, 2023 graduates. But still, the room was not prepared for us that they're going to change us into. Then they tried to say, we're going to give you a room with one bed. Do you mind sharing? I love my sister, but I'm not sharing a bed with her on a vacation I paid a lot of good money for. I'm not sharing a bed. That's not what I paid for. So I had to argue and asked for an upgrade, and finally they gave it to us, but I had to fight for it, and this is much better. Check it out. You're going to notice a noticeable size difference in the bathroom. The tile is upgraded, clean. I adore the shower. Beautiful emerald green tile with the shampoo, body wash, and conditioner. Not the miniature ones that were supposed to be in their VIP room. Cleaned, upgraded toilet. It was a square. It was a square toilet before upgraded. This is just better. Just better. With dressers, the previous room did not have dresser drawers. Floor to ceiling windows. Beautiful laminate floors. The old room had very old tile with dark grouting that would tell me it was old. The decor or Mexican inspired motif. This is our stuff that got thrown on the bed. Not mad at that. Refrigerator. The last apartment we went in did not have, the refrigerator was not restocked. We just took drinks out of here, but this one was. It was great, complete with beer. This is our sitting area, the common area. Very nice. Last but not least, an outdoor whirlpool tub, enclosed balcony, and it overlooks the pool. We'll show you that in the morning. All in all, this is Diva approved, but yeah, Diva had to fight for it, and they did not know they were dealing with someone that has a crown. Girl, bye. All in all, we had a wonderful vacation. However, the customer service leaves a lot to be desired. The resort itself is very rough around the edges. I don't think I would recommend it to anyone, particularly with the hard sell timeshare people that are constantly on your back to take a tour for their timeshare and or visit their spa. That was tacky.